What lada ka Ministry of Home Affairs kala aiti haki Sorkar jylla ban pyrkhat ya jingplie ya Skul hadien kakhatsan tarik mynta bnai Risaw Myntri ka tnad pule puthi jong Sorkar jylla Bah Lahkmen Rynbui ulaong ba Sorkar kampat kwah ban Pynpaw eiei ya mynta namar ba kadang pynkhreh ya Rukom ne kyndon ha Kano ka Rukom on Plie biang ya Skul Ynda ladep ya kine jingpynkhreh ka Sorkar kan sapin mena laong Myntri.
As I said time and again that this session will spill out into the next year if the situation remain like this. But if this current situation change, then we have to change our approach to regarding the reopening of the educational institution. Having said that, whatever decision we will take, it will be a very dynamic decision, that there will be no close ending, so that there will be a chance for us to modify or do whatever changes depending upon the COVID situation in the state. We have seen that the people, that life must go on. But opening an educational institution is a very tricky matter. So that's why we didn't want to come out the then and there. We have to analyze. Every day we are analyzing what is the pros, what is the cons, what is the implication. But as I said before, the life must go on, but we should not forget that the health of the student, health of our youth, also it is very, very important. So thinking how to balance this, it is not a very easy, but we'll try to do as within the parameter, so that both the educational needs and also the care of the student community should be taken care of.